Mirror, mirror on the wall, where should ISHI be held this fall? Mirror? Hello? Hello? Oh, great. I guess he's working off-site as well. He's probably sitting around in his sweatpants, watching Bridgerton, or, maybe Loki. Who knows? I guess I'm just gonna have to figure this out myself. And it's times like these that I have a saying. It goes, let your conscience... No, that's not really it. It's let your Dr. Fauci be your guide. Yeah, that is my saying. And if the experts are right, and they always are, they are telling us that we could meet safely together, especially as long as people are getting vaccinated, people are washing their hands like they learned to do when they were in kindergarten, and they're wearing their masks, and they're keeping their social distances, which currently is 6 feet for adults, 3 feet for kids, and about 6 inches if you're a dwarf and you're working in the mines and you like to whistle while you work. So, I know that my friends from ISHI have been working with a team from Disney World to modify some of the safety program so that we could meet together. I think that we should do it right here at Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. Then again, with the social distancing rules in place, that means that not all my friends are going to be able to attend. Plus, there's budget constraints and travel restrictions. Last year, so many people could attend virtually. That was amazing, and I would hate to see any of those people miss out. There's got to be a way. So how could we do this? Just think, Travis. Think. How about, what if we were to take the in-person meeting and pretend like that's like a double-stranded piece of DNA, and we were to somehow take like a restriction enzyme, like bam each one, and cut that double-stranded DNA, and then we could ligate in the virtual world, and we could have something like a hybrid meeting. That would be stupendous. Hey, I got it. Let's do a hybrid meeting. We could meld the two together. That would be fantastic. We could have people in person. We could have people attend virtually. We could record the general sessions. We could record the presentations and maybe even some of the workshops. That way, all my friends at home from around the globe could watch whenever they wanted to, on demand. And come to think of it, we could even make the on-demand material available to those people who would be attending in person. This is going to be great. I got to tell the planning committee so they can get going, get planning. And I know that you guys out there are all people helping people kind of people. So I'm wondering if you could help us by sending us your oral abstracts or your interesting case presentations by June 14th. You can do so through the ISHI website, ishinews.com. So, we've got a lot of planning to do. You've got some work to do. So let's get going.